So now the next the thing which we have here is it's something called as do while loop, correct? So the next thing which we have is do while loop. Okay, but what is the difference here? That is what we are supposed to understand. The next thing which we have is something called as do while loop. Okay, what is do while loop? Okay, it's very simple. Whenever we talk about do while loop, it's a looping statement. Again, it's a looping statement similar to while loop, but the only difference is nothing but do while will execute a set of instructions, okay, and then checks the condition. Okay, sir, what is it, sir? What did you tell? It's simple. While loop and do while loop is the same. Okay, they are the same, meaning it keeps on executing. Okay, if the condition is true, it's going to stop only when the condition is false. But the working will differ. Okay, the syntax will differ. First, do while loop will execute a set of instructions and then going to check the condition. Okay, so how, sir, can we understand? Yes, absolutely yes. Okay, now let me write down the syntax. Okay, so that you'll have a better understanding. Do, open curly braces, close. Okay, and I have to specify while within parenthesis, give the condition and make sure you will terminate it within semicolon. If you don't terminate within semicolon, it's a problem, right? So now you have to write the set of instructions. Okay, so this is all about the entire process here. Okay, now we got the basic level of understanding. Okay, now I want you all to understand one example. Okay, what is that example, sir? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, see here, the first part here is similar. Int x equals to 1. I have the x value as 1 here, and I make use of do while loop. Do, open curly braces and close, and while, okay, open parenthesis close, and what am I supposed to do here? I have to give the condition, right? So now I tell SOP, I print the value of x here, okay, and then I have to check, okay, x until it is lesser than or equal to 5. Okay, I repeat, why do while loop and while loop is the same, but the working will differ. Okay, now can you tell me what will be the output? Sir, x value is 1, sir. Very good. Now it does, sir. Okay, the control comes here. It does something, sir. It prints x value, sir. 1 will get printed, sir. After that, while loop, sir. Is 1 lesser than or equal to 5, sir? Yes, sir, it's true. The control will go back, sir. X value is 1, for sure. Correct. Print x value. X value 1 will get printed, right? What is x value? It's still 1. Is 1 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, loop goes back. What is x value? It's still 1. 1 will get printed. Again, check the condition. Is 1 less than or equal to 5? Yes, goes back. Print x. What is x value? 1. What is x value? This will also lead to infinite loop here. This will also lead to infinite loop. In order to make it efficient, sir, what am I supposed to do? In order to make it efficient, I have to add one statement. What is that statement, sir? X plus plus. See now, it's a very, very simple program. First step, x will get initialized to 1. Correct? What is my x value? 1. Correct? I print my x value. What is my x value? 1. X plus plus meaning I am incrementing the value of x. X value will become 2. And after that, I check the condition. Is 2 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, it's true. Control will go by. It does the job. What is my x value? 2. 2 will get printed. X plus plus meaning it will become 3. And then I check the condition. Is 3 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, goes back. Again, I execute. What is my x value? 3. X plus plus. X value will become 4. I check the condition. Is 4 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, it's a loop. It will go by. What is my x value? 4. 4 will get printed. X plus plus meaning it will become 5. Is 5 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes. Goes back. 5 will get printed. X plus plus. Now it will become 6. Is 6 lesser than or equal to 5? No. Stop it. And I have got the desired output here. I have got the expected output. Don't you think so? While and do while loop is almost same. It keeps on looping, okay, until the condition is false. When is he going to stop? Only when the condition is false, he is going to stop here. Okay, so this is all about the entire process of understanding, okay, what is while and do while loop here. Okay, so this is all about the entire process, guys. Okay, no complications, nothing. It's a very, very simple task which you need to understand here. Clear? Great. Perfect. Now here, let me try to develop the same program in the same part. Okay, let me do it over here itself. Okay, now okay, so now how am I supposed to do it here? So first I will have one variable int x equals to 1. Okay, now here I have to do open curly braces close and while, okay, while what? Until x is lesser than or equal to 5, you keep on looping. Okay, and here the same logic I have to write it down over here. I have to print the x value here, and this is nothing but x plus plus. Okay, I'm working around with x here. Okay, this is all about the entire process here, guys. Okay, it's a very, very simple Java program which you need to understand. This is n, this is x. This is all about it. Now when I compile my Java program, look here, Java C, while loop demo.java, and when I do it, did I get the expected output? Yes, I have got my expected output in a beautiful manner. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have printed it with the help of while and do while. But what is the difference here? While loop and do while loop are almost same. It keeps on looping or executing until the condition is false. But what is the major difference here? See, while loop checks the condition first and then executes the set of instructions, whereas do while loop, it executes the set of instructions and then checks the condition here. So this is the first example here, first difference. What is it? While loop checks the condition, and that is when he executes a set of instructions. But whereas do while loop is executing the first set of instructions and then checking the condition. He does the job first and then checks the condition. This is the difference between while loop and do while loop. Clear? Now similarly, can we print the numbers in reverse order using while and do while here? Is it possible for us to print it? I want to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 using both while and do while. Simple guys, okay? Trust me, it's a very simple program, okay? First of all, int, okay, I equals to 5. Why? Because I want to print 5 for the very first time now. So I'll take it as 5 here. I value is 5. Then while loop. While, open parenthesis close, open curly braces, close. This is the logic. Now what will be the condition? Until it reaches 1. 5 is greater than 1, 4 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1, and 1 is equal to 1. So I should be either greater than or equal to 1 here. See, 5, 4, 3, 2 are greater than 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So until I is greater than or equal to 1, keep on looping. And the condition will be, I have to print the value of I. Okay, and I'm decrementing gradually. 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. I'm gradually decrementing by 1 here. So therefore, I have to write I minus minus. That's it. Very, very simple. So what is my I value here? I value is 5, sir. Very good. Is 5 greater than or equal to 1? Yes, true. Control comes inside. I should print I value. 5 will get printed. I minus minus. I will become what? 4. Okay. Loop will go back. Loop will go back. So now what is my I value? I value is 4. Is 4 greater than or equal to 1? 4 will get printed. I minus minus. It will become 3. It will go back. Okay. 3 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Control comes inside. I value. I value is nothing but 3. 3 will get printed. I minus minus. It will become 2. Again, it's a loop. It has to go back. It goes back. Is 2 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. 2 will get printed. Okay. And then I minus minus. I value will become 1. It goes back. Is 1 greater than or equal to 1? Yes, true. I will get printed 1. I minus minus. It will become 0. Now again, it goes back here. I value will become 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 1? Stop it. So this is the output. I get it in a beautiful manner. Okay. So this is what we are supposed to understand when it comes to looping statement. Okay. We know we can traverse it in forward direction as well as reverse direction. Okay. Now here, I'll do one more program here for do while loop. You have to just tell me the output here, if you understood or not, right? So now here, first of all, see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct? Int x equals to 5. Same thing. Do what? It has to print the value of x here, and then it has to decrement. Okay, he has to decrement until when? Until it reaches 1 here. Okay, don't you think here? It's both the same. Don't you see here? Okay, it's very easy, but only execution will matter. What is my x value? X value is 5. It does the job here. Print x value. 5 will get printed. X minus minus. X will become now 4. Okay, is 4 greater than or equal to 1? Yes, goes by. 4 will get printed. X minus minus. It will become 3. Check the condition. Is 3 greater than or equal to 1? Yes, goes by. Print 3. X minus minus. It will become 2. Check the condition again. Is 2 greater than or equal to 1? Yes, goes back. X value, I need to print it here, right? What is my x value over here if I try to print? It is nothing but 2. Again, minus minus. It will become 1. Again, is 1 greater than or equal to 1? Yes, goes back. X value. 1 will get printed. X minus minus. It will become 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 1? No, stop it. And I have got the desired output here. I've done it in the most ugliest way, but yeah, the basic funda is to understand the working of it. Once you understand the working of it, it becomes very easy here. Clear? So now if you want me to develop it, okay, you can do it over here. Okay, it's a very, very simple program. Correct? So what will you do over here? You just copy paste this entirely. Okay. I'm just copy pasting it guys because I'm very lazy. Okay. You'll take a different variable I equals to 5. Okay. Until I is greater than or equal to 1, you keep on printing the I value and it has to keep on decrementing it. Why? Because we're going in the reverse order, decrementing way. Okay, this is for while loop. Do while loop, how will you do it here? Okay, so x is nothing but you will be 5. We'll take it as j here, different variable. I will print the value of j here. Okay, and here it is again j minus minus. Why? We are decrementing until j is greater than or equal to 1. This is all about it. So when I compile my Java program, I should be able to get the output here. Okay, compilation done. Okay, I'm so sorry. Somewhere I made one mistake. Let me see here. I is fine. I is like, oh, this data. I minus minus. Right. So now when I compile it, it should work fine now. Okay. So yeah. Did I get the output here? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in both the ways here? Absolutely yes. Okay. So this is what we are supposed to understand when it comes to the entire data here. Okay. This is all about the entire process here. Clear? Great. So we got the clarity about this working. Clear? Now we are done with for and for while and do while.